Hi buddies, today we are going to draw a beautiful seascape. First we draw the horizon line. This is the line where the sea goes in, and a rock with palm trees will go there. This is a very quick sketch to see where everything will be. Now I'll sketch roughly the wave, the sea wave. Okay, this has to be brave and alive because the sea is energy in pure state. Okay, the foam of the water. As you see, I'm using just one regular pencil, the pencil you have in your house right now. So, and a regular photocopy 80 gram paper. So, you don't have any excuse to don't draw this. Just take your pencil, take your paper and draw. Okay, this is the horizon. Remember, in seascapes, it is better to draw the horizon line where the farthest part of the sea darker than everything in the seascape. Okay, to see and to draw something white or brighter, like the foam of the water, we can do this in a white paper, but we can darken the paper with our pencil, so the parts that we left in white appear brighter. I don't know if I am explaining myself, but you'll see because it is a very visual tutorial. I darken parts at the side near where parts must be whiter, like the foam of this sea wave. Okay. When you draw the sea, try to draw loose, fast and loose, to give strength and energy to your drawing. Remember, the sea is in movement all the time, is energy, so try to transfer your energy to your drawing through your pencil, okay? Little more here. I think we have a correct sketch, so I'll blur some parts to begin drawing some details. This is a blending stamp. A blending stamp is just paper in a roll, okay? If you don't have it, you may use a paper tissue, okay? It is very easy, but never use your finger to blur your drawings, because fingers have oil in them, and you may ruin your drawing with these oils that your hands have. So it is better to use a tissue if you don't have a blending stamp, but blending stamps like this are very cheap and affordable, and they are everywhere in the world. So try to achieve one of them. This is a soft, very soft pencil. Every pencil will be useful in this case, but it must be soft. Now let's suggest palm trees. In a while we'll make it with more detail, but now I'm just suggesting where this darker part will go. This is one of my tutorials of just one pencil, as you know, the title says. And I try with this not only to show that you can draw with what you have in your house, but that the art, you need the best materials you can afford, okay? But you can draw or paint with whatever you have, because the real artist is not the materials, are not the materials. The real artist is you. You is who is drawing right now. The pencil, if you don't take it with your hands, every pencil may be the best pencil and expensive pencil in the world, but if you leave it in a bag, it will not draw anything. It's your hand that draws everything. Okay, this video is slightly accelerated, very slightly, but if you have trouble following it, remember, you can click the pause, so you stop the video in this part and draw at your own pace, okay? And it is better than try to follow my speed, the speed of the video, because it may be stressing, very stressing and frustrating. So pause the video every time that you need, go back, go forward every time you need. This is a precision eraser. It is useful to have one. It's just an eraser, very thin, but if you don't have it, with a every regular eraser with a sharp side, you can use it too. Okay, let's blur this part with our blending stamp. Take attention. Look that I'm not using the blending stamp in the same way all the time. I'll put like this by the side or by the point. Okay, it is as you need one effect or other, you use it in one angle or other. Okay, now we are just passing the middle part of this tutorial, and now we are going to draw details like these palm trees, reinforced darker shadows. Try not to press too hard your paper to achieve darker tones. It's better to draw in shapes, in layers, sorry. Okay, let's give more graphite here, because I'm going to make here some sun rays through the clouds. So I need this part a bit must be grayer, more dark, to achieve this effect. Okay. Do you like Seascapes? I don't know if you like. I make tutorials of seascapes or landscapes. Which one do you prefer, landscapes or seascapes? You see, this is an eraser. It was for this I darkened before the paper with graphite, because I erase it, loosen and in straight lines to achieve the sun rays effect. Okay. Every drawing, the success of every drawing with pencil is in contrasts. More than details or everything, contrast give strength and life to your drawings. So remember, some parts must be very dark and other parts must be very white. So it may be more energetic, more alive. Okay. Now, if you are new in this seeing this video and you don't know my channel, remember to subscribe and click the bell to know when I upload new videos. I try to upload new videos every Monday, but not always I achieve I get my goal. So subscribe and YouTube will tell you when I upload new videos, okay? And smash the like button if you like it, okay? Now more dark, so the phone appears whiter. We just need some more details and our drawing will be finished. Let's suggest, you see, the phone giving three-dimensionality to this wave, very easy wave. It's the simplest seascape I ever drawn in my life, but I think it is strong enough to be a very good drawing, and you can draw this. Believe in yourself. And if you make some mistake, don't worry, it's just a paper and a pencil. Try again. Okay. Reinforcing. Try not to put the stamp over the white part of the race. Okay, only at the side. Now, what else? What else? Like George Clooney. Okay, I must draw something there. Okay, darker. I need to make it darker. Like Leonard Cohen says, you want it darker. Now, let's blur there to appear the reflection of the water. The sand is wet and reflects everything, and the part of the sand that is dry don't reflect, so I erase this part and appears, okay, I just see it appears that this part is dry sand. Okay, little more contrast here, and we almost finished our landscape, hours of the sea, or seascape. Drawing seascape is two words, landscape and sea together, I think. Now it is done. What do you think? Do you like it? I liked it too much. Be very happy, take care of yourself, and draw a lot. See you next week. Bye!